time-consuming and requires lots of space. Spoiler alert, it's actually simple, quick, and can fit into any kitchen. Let's dive in and explore how to mill your own flour and the amazing benefits that come with it. First things first, choosing your grain mill. There are two main types, manual and electric. Manual mills are great for those who love a hands-on approach. Electric mills, like this Mach mill or a Nutri-Mill, are perfect for larger quantities and make the process fast and effortless. Modern grain mills are compact and designed to easily fit on your countertop or be stored in a cupboard when not in use. No need to worry about space. Next up, selecting your grains. You can mill a wide range of grains including wheat, spelt, rye, gluten-free options like rice, quinoa, buckwheat, and beans. Whole grains can be stored in a cool, dry place for extended periods, making it easy to keep a variety on hand. Let's get milling. Measure the amount of grain you need for your recipe. Most mills let you adjust the fineness of the grind from coarse to fine, depending on your baking needs. When milling our grains, we want to turn our mill on first so that the grains don't stall the mill or get stuck between the stones. So we're going to turn on our mill and we should hear the stones tapping. Simply pour your grains into the mill's hopper, turn it on, and let it do the work. Once the stones start tapping again, it's time to turn off your mill. For manual mills, just turn the handle. In just a few minutes, you'll have fresh, nutritious flour ready to use. Most of the time, you can do something else to prep your recipe while the flour is milling, so it adds no extra time to your routine. Cleaning and maintaining are a breeze. Most modern mills are designed for easy cleaning, such as brushing out any remaining flour and wiping down the exterior. Regular maintenance involves checking for wear and tear and ensuring the mill and it stays dry and clean. You can also clean the stones by running rice through on coarse. Cleaning and maintaining are a breeze. Most modern mills are designed for easy cleaning, such as brushing out any remaining flour and wiping down the exterior. Regular maintenance involves checking for wear and tear and ensuring the mill and it stays dry and clean. You can also clean the stones by running rice through on coarse. Now let's talk about some delicious, quick, and easy meals you can make with fresh milled flour. Flatbread is a favorite. Mix freshly milled flour, water, a pinch of salt, and a bit of oil. Add yeast or baking powder for leavening. Roll out the dough and cook it on a hot skillet for minutes on each side. Voila, fresh flatbread. For a hearty breakfast, grind grains like oats or barley for a hot cereal. Cook the freshly milled grains in water or milk, add your favorite toppings, and enjoy a nutritious start to your day. Unlike the box stuff, this will keep you full for hours. Use freshly milled flour to make a roux for creamy soups and sauces. The fresh flour enhances the flavor and nutritional value of your meals. Got leftover bread made with fresh flour? Turn it into croutons and make delicious homemade stuffing or add them to soups or salads for extra crunch. Better yet, blitz them in the blender and turn them into your own breadcrumbs. Why mill your own flour? Freshly milled flour is nutrient-rich, retaining all the natural oils and vitamins of the grain. You can control the fineness of the flour and mix different grains to create unique blends and flavors. It's cost-effective, especially if you bake frequently, and the taste is simply superior to store-bought flour. So give it a try and experience the difference for yourself. Milling your own flour at home is simple, efficient, and it's a process that fits seamlessly into your routine. Whether you're making flatbread, hot cereal, creamy soups, or homemade stuffing, freshly milled flour will enhance the flavor and nutrition of your meals. Happy milling and baking. Remember, investing in freshly milled flour is an investment in your health and in your wallet. I really enjoy you joining me. I appreciate your support. And if you like any of the content that I'm sharing with you, please comment on the videos, like them, and subscribe to the channel. Click that little bell and it'll tell you when I post new videos. Thanks.